stupid. She's getting smaller. Sorry for the bumpiness of the camera. I'm getting there. Look at a big hobo. Sit down. Now do something stupid for the camera.
Hold on, wait. Like what?
I don't know. Do something stupid. Okay, you did that in front of millions of people.
Okay, hold on. Here you go.
Stop leaving me all the time. I feel like a big loser holding up the camera. Smaller and smaller again. Yep. Hope the little stick just runs off the road. Gets ran. Ah! Don't come to me! Look at that pro go. Yes, I'm talking about a skateboard.
And we're